What's up, YouTube? So I'm in Home Depot again today for part 3 of purchasing fertilizer during the fall. It looks like we have some even deeper discounts at this point in time. So going back on the 4-pound bag, this is it. The 4-pound bag goes for $7. What I was purchasing was 8-pound bags in my previous videos, which was going for $7.20. The 4-pound bag is going for $6.98, and this bag right here was going. The original pricing is $9.68. I just want you to take note of that. When I was coming here, when I first noticed the discount and I started doing the videos, it was at $7.20. So they further cut down the price from basically $9.68 to $7.20 to $4.90. So now a 5-pound or a 8-pound bag of tomato fertilizer will only cost me $4.90. So they have a few bags of Joe Bays in here. I guess I'll try some new products out that they have. All natural fertilizer. So dusty bags. You can tell they've been sitting a while. I'm trying to find the NPK. NPK is 253. So the NPK is the same as this bag here. I guess they're the same. Exclusive Joe Bays Biozone. Enhanced with Joe Bays Biozone. I guess they're the same thing. So I'll buy this bag, and I'll buy the rest of these bags that they actually have left. It looks like they have about 4 of them that aren't open. They have one extra one that's open. I wonder if I can get an even deeper discount with that open one. So I'm going to buy these fertilizers, guys, and I'll do an update video on how much I spent and everything else. But here you can see the yellow tag. They put it down twice, just to show that I'm not trying to fool you. The $9.68 and $9.68 under that is $9.68 and $7.20. So I was originally paying $7.20, but the real price is $9.68, and the $7.20 was only a fall discount. I guess since we're deeper into fall, now they have an even deeper discount. So I guess the longer you wait, the cheaper it gets, but it gets kind of risky waiting so long because people like me will come buy all of this organic fertilizer for our organic gardens. All right, guys, so $5 a bag. I'm basically getting half off for this fertilizer, so it's no issue whatsoever. I'm gonna buy every single bag in here. As far as the Joe Bays is concerned, every single 8-pound bag. And just for record, the 8-pound bag is going for $4.90. Here we have a 250 gram bag, so this isn't even a 1 pound, going for $2.90. And here we have 4 pounds going for $6.98. So you have the option of paying $6.98 for a 4-pound bag before tax, or you have the option of paying $4.90 for an 8-pound bag before tax. All right, guys, that's my update for today. Those are the bags of fertilizer I will be getting. And as mentioned before, this is the worm casting that I use, earthworm casting. But since it isn't on discount, I will not be purchasing it this year. So I'm only purchasing items that are on discount, guys, preparing for next spring. Thank you.